Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr. Today we are going to see some cables, some charging data transfer cables, which are neither data transfer, neither fast charging cables that I bought from Banggood. The cables are KUULAA with Type-C with a magnetic ending for connecting with your mobile. I bought them from Banggood, and despite the fact that I have already contacted them and told them that the description and the features that are described inside the page are wrong, they haven't changed it, so better know it for me not to buy them. Now, these are the cables that I have chosen. KUULAA Smart Digital Life, as it says. This is the cable. KUULAA. It's with a magnetic ending. KUULAA. Now, I have here my Xiaomi 10 charger. Let me trip it out. This and it is. And a plain cable that I have. So I'm going to connect it to the power and connect it with my Xiaomi 10. As you can see, the sign for fast charging appears. If you open it, you can also see it here. It has the sign of the fast charging. Now, let's do the same with the KUULAA cable. Taking out. I connect it, and the other end. No fast charging. It doesn't support. This is with a magnetic. It starts charging right away. It has here a blue dot showing that current passes, but not as fast as the Banggood writes and says. And to be honest, I'm going to move it a little bit here. This is the page of the cables. As you can see, fast charging cable, KUULAA, $5.4 and $2.5 in order to come to Greece. Magnetic cable, 2.4 ampere charging. With a LED that I show you here. Function here says charge, but here in the features it says reversible data cable, supercharging and high-speed data sync, faster, safer and stronger. Here it says data sync speed 480 megabps with a 3 ampere maximum output. So we're talking about a fast charging and with data transfer. Till now I showed you that at least fast charging, it's a lie. It doesn't happen. So let's see data transfer if it is a reality at least. So I'm going to reverse it. go here. So, I connect it to my laptop here. No sign for data transfer. It's only charging. As you can see, the sign of charging appeared at the top right corner. Let's disconnect this cable and take the plain cable and connect it. As you can see, without data transfer, it's in Greek, but nevertheless, data transfer and transfer of images. The first one is only for charging, second one is data transfer data between my mobile and my laptop. An option that doesn't appear with KUULAA cable, so I cannot have this 480 megabps data transfer that Banggood says. Hope you like this little presentation of the cables that you must not buy, that doesn't support what is said inside the Banggood page. If you like my video, press like and share it so more people to know that not to buy them. I can give you a link of this cable that I have bought from AliExpress, that despite the fact that it is simple, is reliable, and hope to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a doctor for iTech News. Bye.